Welcome back to another new video. Like, share and subscribe our channel. We have an exciting unboxing and full tour of the Motorola Edge 40. Priced at just £529, this phone offers a fantastic value proposition compared to its Pro counterpart. Let's dive right in and explore its impressive features. The design of the Motorola Edge 40 is sleek and lightweight, making it comfortable to hold. With its 6.55-inch display and slim bezels, the screen practically fills the entire front of the phone. Although the curved display may affect responsiveness at times, the overall design is premium, featuring an aluminum frame and a choice of back designs, including vegan leather and acrylic options. One of the advantages of choosing a Motorola device is the stock Android experience. The Edge 40 runs on the latest Android 13, with additional Moto features available in the Moto app. You'll also enjoy robust connectivity options, including full 5G support and Wi-Fi 6. The phone supports eSIM and physical SIM cards, and it comes with ample storage of 256GB, although there is no support for a micro SD card. The display on the Motorola Edge 40 is stunning, with a full HD plus OLED panel delivering vibrant colors, sharp contrast, and deep glass. With a 144Hz refresh rate, everything on the screen appears smooth and fluid. While it may not be the brightest display on the market, it still offers an excellent visual experience. Additionally, the phone boasts a stereo speaker setup with Dolby Atmos support, providing an immersive audio experience. In terms of performance, the Motorola Edge 40 is equipped with a MediaTek Dimensity 820 chipset. While it may not match the top-tier Snapdragon 8 series in raw power, it still delivers capable performance. Everyday tasks are handled smoothly, and even demanding games like Genshin Impact can be played with playable frame rates. The phone features Motorola's Game Mode, which allows you to block notifications and calls, optimize performance, and even record gameplay. With a 4,400 mAh battery, the Motorola Edge 40 offers decent battery life considering its slim form factor. While heavy usage may require a midday recharge, the phone supports 68W turbo power charging, which can quickly replenish the battery in just 20 minutes. Additionally, the phone supports 15W wireless charging, adding convenience and flexibility to your charging routine. Now let's talk about the camera. The Motorola Edge 40 features a dual lens setup, including a primary lens and an ultra-wide lens. The camera interface is simple and straightforward, making it easy to capture great photos with just a single hand. The phone offers AI smarts that suggest different modes based on the scene, and features like night mode enhance low-light photography. The selfie camera, with its 32-megapixel sensor, captures detailed and bright photos, even in ambient lighting conditions. To wrap things up, the Motorola Edge 40 is an impressive smartphone that offers excellent value for its price. With its premium features, including a high refresh rate display, stereo speakers, capable performance, and a versatile camera setup, it's a compelling choice for those seeking an upper mid-range to flagship-style experience. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of the Pro model, it still delivers a fantastic user experience. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the Motorola Edge 40 in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content on the latest and greatest in tech. Have a wonderful week, and we'll see you soon.